Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make mushroom masala fry, which is not just quick and easy to make but also tastes amazing, and you can enjoy this recipe as a side dish along with roti, naan, or even with rice and dal. So let's get started with this delicious mushroom recipe. For that, we'll heat some vegetable oil in a pan, say around 1 tablespoon, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic, and on medium flame we will saute them until the onion, ginger, garlic turns golden brown in color and the raw taste goes away. And once these are fried well, we will add some button mushrooms sliced into medium thickness. And now on medium to high flame, we will saute the mushrooms until they turn golden brown in color and the water from the mushroom dries out. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. And as you can see, the water from the mushroom has dried up and they have turned brown in color. At this stage, we'll add 1 large tomato diced into medium-sized portions. And on medium flame, we will saute the tomatoes for few seconds. Alright. And now we'll add some basic spices. Here goes some salt as per taste. Around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. On low flame, we will now mix all these spices well along with the mushrooms and saute them for a few seconds. So by now the spices are well combined with the mushrooms. And now we will cover and cook the mushrooms on low to medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check this now. So the tomatoes have melted and the spices along with the onion, tomato, ginger, garlic are well coated with the mushrooms. At this stage, we'll add some onion chunks as well as some capsicum chunks. If you want, you can add red and yellow bell peppers also. And now on medium flame, we will saute the onion and capsicum chunks for just 1 minute as we don't want to overcook them. And now into this, I will add 1 tablespoon of tomato hot and sweet chili sauce, which will further enhance the flavor of our mushroom masala fry by giving it a well-balanced spicy and sweet flavor. We'll mix this sauce and saute for another 1 minute till the sauce is well combined with the rest of the ingredients. Alright, and before turning off the flame, we will add some finely chopped coriander leaves. We'll give a final mix. And our delicious mushroom masala fry or dry mushroom sabji is now ready to be served hot. So friends, do try this quick, easy and delicious mushroom recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.